Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly quick and easy recipes. Ready to make some seriously delicious chicken wings? This recipe is so easy and fun, you'll be the star of your next game day party. Don't worry about messing it up. We'll go through it together step by step. So grab your apron, put on some music, and let's get cooking. I can't wait for you to try these. Trust me. Once you smell that spicy, buttery sauce, you'll be hooked. Let's get started. These buffalo wings are super easy to make and a great recipe for beginners. Today, we have a recipe that is super simple, so you probably have most of these ingredients in your kitchen already. Here's what we need. And don't worry, if you're missing something, there are always substitutes you can use. Chicken wings, 2 pounds. I like to use a mix of drumsticks and flats. Make sure they're fresh and ready to go. If you prefer, you can also use boneless chicken for a different twist. Hot sauce, ½ cup. Use your favorite kind. Frank's RedHot is a classic. If you like it extra spicy, feel free to add a bit more. You can also mix different hot sauces to create your own unique flavor. Butter, ½ cup. Make sure it's melted and ready to go. Garlic powder, 1 teaspoon. The butter will help balance the heat from the hot sauce and add a rich, creamy texture to the wings. Salt and pepper. To taste. I like to be generous with the pepper. Seasoning is key to bringing out the flavors, so don't be shy with the salt and pepper. You can also add other spices like paprika or cayenne if you want to experiment. See? Told you it was simple. With just a few basic ingredients, we're all set to make some delicious chicken wings that are sure to impress. Now let's move on to the fun part. Cooking these babies up. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and get ready to enjoy some mouth-watering wings. Stay tuned for the next steps. All right, let's turn up the heat. We're about to embark on a delicious journey. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 200 degrees Celsius for my friends across the pond. This step is crucial to ensure our chicken wings cook evenly and get that perfect crispy texture. Now take those chicken wings and spread them out on a baking sheet. Make sure they're in a single layer. Make sure they have some space to breathe. Crowding them will make them steam instead of bake, and we want them nice and crispy. Pop those wings in the oven and bake for about 40 minutes, flipping them halfway through. This ensures they cook evenly on both sides and get that beautiful golden color. While the wings are baking, let's make the sauce. This is where the magic happens. In a bowl, mix together that melted butter, hot sauce, and garlic powder. The butter adds richness, the hot sauce brings the heat, and the garlic powder gives it a nice depth of flavor. Give it a good stir until it's all combined. You want a smooth, cohesive sauce that clings to the wings. Once the wings are golden brown and crispy, take them out of the oven. They should be sizzling and smell absolutely amazing. Now toss those beauties in the hot sauce mixture until they're coated in that glorious spicy goodness. Make sure every wing is covered for maximum flavor. Enjoy your homemade buffalo wings. And there you have it, the easiest, tastiest buffalo chicken wings you'll ever make. These wings are perfect for any occasion, whether it's a game day, a family gathering, or just a casual dinner at home. Pile those bad boys on a platter, making sure they look as appetizing as they taste. Presentation is key after all. Grab some celery sticks and ranch dressing, or even some carrot sticks if you prefer. These crunchy veggies are the perfect complement to the spicy wings. And get ready to dig in. There's nothing quite like that first bite of a perfectly cooked buffalo wing. Want to make your wings extra special? Elevate the flavor profile with some creative toppings. Try adding a sprinkle of blue cheese crumbles for a tangy twist that pairs wonderfully with the spicy sauce. Or chopped green onions on top. The fresh, sharp taste of green onions adds a delightful contrast. I can't wait to hear what y'all think of this recipe. Your feedback means the world to me, and I love seeing how you make these wings your own. Make sure to share your delicious creations with family and friends. Let me know how your wings turned out. Happy cooking, everyone!